Mechanical engineering is one of the most dynamic and versatile branches of engineering. It involves the design, analysis, and manufacturing of mechanical systems, ranging from small components like gears to large-scale machinery such as engines and power plants. At its core, mechanical engineering applies principles of physics, mathematics, and material science to solve complex problems related to mechanics, energy, and manufacturing. This makes it a vital field for industries like aerospace, automotive, energy, robotics, and even medical devices. The scope of mechanical engineering is vast, allowing professionals to specialize in a variety of areas such as thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, biomechanics, and mechatronics. Mechanical engineers are tasked with creating systems that improve the functionality, efficiency, and sustainability of the world around us. They may design new products, improve existing systems, or develop innovative solutions to modern-day challenges. With the rapid advancement of technology, mechanical engineers play a critical role in developing new manufacturing techniques, energy-efficient solutions, and cutting-edge technologies. Their expertise is essential in industries that focus on automation, renewable energy, and robotics, where precision and innovation are paramount. As industries evolve, the demand for skilled mechanical engineers continues to rise, making it a promising and rewarding career choice. A career in mechanical engineering offers diverse opportunities for growth and specialization. Mechanical engineers often work in teams with professionals from various disciplines, such as electrical engineers and computer scientists, to develop integrated systems. The field requires strong analytical skills, creativity, and an ability to think critically about real-world problems. Additionally, mechanical engineers must possess a deep understanding of material properties, thermodynamics, and mechanical design, often using advanced software tools for simulation and modeling. For those passionate about innovation and making a tangible impact on society, mechanical engineering offers the perfect platform to bring ideas to life and contribute to technological progress. The versatility of mechanical engineering is one of its greatest strengths. Graduates of mechanical engineering programs are not confined to traditional roles. They can pursue careers in research and development, project management, design engineering, and even entrepreneurship. Many mechanical engineers go on to work in highly specialized fields like aerospace, robotics, or sustainable energy. Furthermore, the demand for mechanical engineers is global, with opportunities available in countries around the world. As industries increasingly focus on sustainability and technological advancement, the need for skilled mechanical engineers who can solve complex interdisciplinary challenges will continue to grow, making it an excellent career choice for those with a passion for engineering and innovation.